I'd inherited some shares and I didn't take much interest in them, I just had them. Then the GFC hit. I started looking because there's lots on the news and I saw them all going up and then I saw them all going down. And I thought, there's got to be another way. So I went searching on the internet and I attended many seminars of companies, one-day seminars, and after that you're going to be a great trader. We can make you rich. And they didn't feel right. One day I was clicking on a site and the Wealth Within emblem came up and I clicked on that and I think I downloaded the ebook and the rest is history. And it felt right, it felt good. Get educated. Find a good, reputable company like Wealth Within. They are the best. And get into it and start learning how to do things the right way. That is definitely correct. You've got to have your head in the right place because you are going to find that sometimes you're going to lose and you can take that badly and it might stop you from trading altogether. Or you might win and then you think you're invincible and could make some really bad decisions and lose lots of money. Yeah, you've got to have your head in the right place and work on your psychology all the time.